The journey doesn't have to end in theatres. Through Faith Content Network, you can bring the first hymn to your church.
The first hymn was lost to the world for centuries and rediscovered 100 years ago. Experts have studied its musical and historical significance for decades. For the last 2 years, we've been working to give it back to the world. I don't know what the original composer would think of what we're doing, but it's time to lay this thing down again for posterity. Here we go.